Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment on the video and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Alright, that said, let's make today's dish, which is gnocchi with a sage, butter, and pancetta. First thing we're going to do is make the ricotta for our dish that we're going to lay at the bottom of the bowl. I say that because I actually forgot to film that and didn't know till it was too late. Don't worry, the ricotta smear mix is really simple. It's just a half a cup of ricotta, a teaspoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper, and then you just give it a good mix. That's really it. That's a nice mix in there. And then you want to take 4 ounces of pancetta that's been diced up. You can find pancetta pretty much at any big box, grocery store, Walmart, Target. And then you just want to fry it up. Given how fine the dice is on this, it took me about 5 to 7 minutes to get it the way I wanted it. And then carefully drain the pancetta. I used a slotted spoon because I wanted to keep just a little bit of the pancetta drippings. And then we want to add about a 1/4 cup of butter. We're not actually going to use this for much, just to use it kind of to crisp up our sage. And then you want to add some sage leaves to the butter mix. Then you just want to fry these up till they get crispy. It'll take about 60 to 90 seconds. This dish actually moves really quickly. Also, when you cook the gnocchi, it should be almost at the end, because, or the gnocchi, however the fuck you pronounce it, because that'll only take 2-3 minutes to cook. Alright. Okay, and the last thing I did was melt up just a little bit more butter, and I tossed the gnocchi and the pancetta together and let them get happy for about 15 seconds. I don't have it shown because this is when my camera decided to die. Like I said, this was not the funnest shoot in the universe. But I have the ricotta on the bottom. I added some of our gnocchi and our pancetta. I'm going to add a little bit of that garlic sauce that was left over in the pan. Then just sprinkle some of that crispy sage that we crumbled up. And that's that. Gnocchi with sage, butter, and pancetta. Done.